How to remove a face recognition data on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, go down and tap on biometrics. Then tap on face recognition. After that, put in the current PIN, then tap on continued. At the top here, tap on remove face data. Then tap on remove, and this will remove your face ID with registration. After that, you can register for a new face ID or face recognition. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.